So we are making an amazing banana bread recipe, and this is so easy to make. In 1/3 butter, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and half cup of I'm going to add half cup of sugar and white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add in. I'm going to mix all of this together. In the banana mixture, I've taken two, three bananas, medium size. I'm going to add that. I'm going to two eggs in the banana sugar and butter mixture. I have added two eggs, spoon of vanilla essence in the banana mixture, and 1.5 cup of flour with the mixture. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'm going to mix all of this. After we have mixed up the flour mixture into the banana mixture, I'm going to add in half cup of milk. I'm going to put half cup milk and mix it together. Our banana bread mixture is ready, and now I'm going to put it in my bread pan, the bread baking pan. I'm going to show you the square tin which I'm going to bake this banana bread in. This is an absolute amazing delicious banana bread that's going to be baked. So I'm going to show you the baking pan. Use this size of a baking tin. Okay, this is the long baking tin which I'm going to bake my banana bread in. I'm going to place this batter into this tin. Okay, so I have transferred the banana batter into this tin, and I'm going to bake it for 180 degrees for 50 to 45 to 50 minutes. So now I'm going to put it in my preheated oven. I have already preheated my oven. So let's put it in the oven. I kept it for nearly 60 minutes in my oven because it took in 180 centigrade oven. I had put it kept it for 60 minutes because my oven took some time to for this banana bread to get done. If your oven is fast, then in 180 degrees you can keep it for just 50 minutes and it will get done. My oven was a bit slow, so it took 60 minutes to make this banana bread, and it looks amazing. You can see the top layer, it's all amazing. I'm going to show you how it looks. This is what the banana bread looks like, and it's steaming hot right now, and it's amazing. It's so soft, it's so delicious. Give it a try and subscribe to my channel. Make this easy recipe of banana bread. It's so soft. Make it, guys. Banana bread looks like it's so moist and it's so yummy. Give it a try. It's amazing, guys. You have to make it, this easy recipe.